Question number 2. Nitration of phenol with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives A 2-nitrophenol, B 3-nitrophenol, C 2,4 dinitrophenol, D 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. We got phenol. This is the structure of phenol, benzene ring with a OH plus 3 moles of HNO3, concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. The one is at ortho position, one at para and other at second ortho position, plus 3 moles of water. So this product is 2,4,6 TNP, that is trinitrophenol. Option D is the correct option. 3. Which of the following oxides of nitrogen combines with Fe2 plus ions to form a brown complex? A N2O, B NO, C N2O3, D N2O5. Okay. When ferrous ion, which is Fe2 plus, reacts with NO, it is nitric oxide, in presence of 5 moles of water, gives a complex FeH2O 5 times NNO in a coordination sphere 2 plus. This is brown complex named penta aquanitrosyl. So option B is the correct option. Number 4. 1 mole of calcium phosphide on reaction with excess water gives A 1 mole of phosphine, B 2 moles of phosphoric acid, C 2 moles of phosphine, D 1 mole of phosphorus pentoxide. We got calcium phosphide. We can write this as Ca3P2 plus 6 moles of water gives 3CaOH twice. This is calcium hydroxide plus 2 moles of phosphine. So option C is the correct option. Question number 5. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the action of chlorine on A white phosphorus, B phosphorus acid, C phosphorus trichloride, D both A and C. So we got P4, which is our white phosphorus, and PCl3, which is phosphorus trichloride. Both of this reacts with chlorine to give PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So option D is the correct option. Question number 6. In hydrides of group 16, the order of acidic strength is, okay, we got H2O, H2S, H2SE and H2TE. This is group 16 element with the hydride form. On moving down the group, MH dissociation enthalpy decreases and the acidic strength increases. So order will be this, this and this. So option A will be the correct option. Question number 7. Which of the following oxacids of sulfur contains S double bond S linkage? A pyrosulfurous acid, B dithionous acid, C thiosulfuric acid, D sulfurous acid. Structure of thiosulfuric acid is S double bond S double bond O with 2 hydroxyl at the central sulfur. There is S double bond in thiosulfuric acid. The molecular formula is H2S2O3. So option C is the correct option. Number 8. Which of the following will displace the halogen from the solution of halide? A Br2 added to NaCl solution, B Cl added to Kf solution, C chlorine added to KBr solution, and D bromine added to Kf solution. A halogen can displace all other halogen placed below it in the group for the salt solution. Thus chlorine can oxidize bromide and iodide ion. So Cl2 plus 2 KBr, that is potassium bromide, will give 2KCl plus Br2, which is bromide. So option C is the correct option. 9. In dark, which of the following reacts with hydrogen? A. Br2, B. F2, C. I2, D. Cl2. In dark, fluorine reacts with hydrogen, while chlorine reacts with hydrogen in presence of diffused light. Bromine reacts with hydrogen on heating, and iodine reacts in presence of platinum catalyst. So option B is the correct option. Number 10. The weakest acid HX, where X represent fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide, is A HF, B HCl, C HBr and D Cl2. Okay, of all this, the acidic strength increases in the order HF, then HCl, then HBr, then HI. As fluorine is highly electronegative, so the bond dissociation is not possible, and as fluorine is small than other halogens, while HI is larger in size, and iodine has weaker bond dissociation enthalpy. So the weakest acid of all this is HF, which does not release hydrogen easily. Number 11. Which of the hydrogen halide is liquid at 25 degrees Celsius? AHF, BHCl, CHBr, DHI. Of all this, HCl, HBr and HI are in gaseous form at room temperature or 25 degrees Celsius, while HF is in liquid state, because fluoride has high electronegativity and extensive hydrogen bonding. So option A is the correct option. Question number 12. In the reaction, 2FeSO4 plus 2H2SO4 plus chlorine gives Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2HCl. Which of the following is true? A. FeSO4 is reduced, B. H2SO4 is oxidized, C. H2SO4 is reduced, D. Chlorine is reduced. Okay. In the following reaction, FeSO4 has been oxidized to Fe2SO3, as the oxidation state of ion changes from +2 to +3 state. Chloride has been reduced, as the oxidation state has been increased from 0 to +1, and H2SO4 is neither oxidized nor reduced. So in the following question, chloride is reduced. Option D is the correct option. Question number 13. When chlorine gas is passed through hot and concentrated NaOH solution, the compound formed are. Okay. The reaction will be when 3 moles of chlorine reacts with 6 moles of NaOH, which is hot and concentrated, will give 5 moles of NaCl plus NaClO3 plus 3 moles of water. So the product formed is NaClO3 and NaCl. Option A is the correct option. Which of the following is false? A. With the hot milk of lime, chlorine forms calcium hypochlorite. B. Chlorine reacts with other halogens to form interhalogen compound. C. Chlorine reacts with methane to form methyl chloride. D. Chlorine reacts with unsaturated compound to give additional products. Okay, when hot milk of lime, chlorine forms calcium chloride and calcium chlorate. So the reaction will be 6 moles of chlorine plus 6 moles of calcium hydroxide in presence of heat will form 5CaCl2 plus, this is calcium chloride, CaClO3 twice, this is calcium chlorate, plus 6 moles of water. So option A is the correct option. Number 15. Complete hydrolysis of HCF2 does not give A. Hc, B. O2, C. HF, D. XeOF2. So the given reaction will be 2 moles of XeF2, that is xenon difluoride, plus 2 moles of water will give xenon, which is 2 moles, plus 4 hydrogen fluoride plus O2. So we get oxygen, xenon and hydrogen fluoride. XeOF2 is not formed. So option D is the correct option. Question number 16. In aqueous alkaline solution, hydrogen xanthate ion slowly disproportionates to give A. XeO3 plus XeO4, B. Xe plus XeO4 minus 4, C. Xe plus XeO3, D. Xe plus XeO4. So in alkaline solution, hydrogen xanthate ion, which is XeO4 minus, slowly disproportionates to give Xe and XeO6 minus 4. The given equation will be 2H XeO4 minus hydrogen xanthate ion plus 2 hydroxyl ion hydroxide will give XeO6 4 minus. This is per xanthate ion, per xanthate, plus Xe xenon plus O2 oxygen plus 2 moles of water. So option B will be the correct option. 17. Dash is used in purification of gold and silver. A H2SO4, B HNO3, C H3PO4, D H3PO3. Nitric acid is used in preparation of aqua regia, which is used in purification of gold and silver. So HNO3, which is a nitric acid, is the correct option. Question number 18. 2.2 gram of P4O6 is dissolved in water. The resulting solution is neutralized with aqueous NaOH solution. The amount of NaOH that will be consumed in the reaction is dash grams. A 1.6, B 2.5, C 3.2, D 4.0. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction P4O6 with NaOH is P4O6 plus 8 moles of NaOH will give 4Na2HPO3 plus 2 moles of water. 1 mole of P4O6 will react with 8 moles of NaOH. Molecular mass of P4O6 is equal to 4 into 31 plus 6 into 16, which is equal to 220 gram per mole. Molar mass of NaOH is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1, which is equal to 40 gram per mole. Since 220 gram of P4O6 will react with 8 into 40 is equal to 320 grams of NaOH. Therefore, 2.2 grams of P4O6 will react with 320 upon 220 into 2.2, which is equal to 3.2 grams of NaOH. So option C is the correct option. Nitrous acid act as A as a strong oxidizing agent, B as a weak oxidizing agent, C as a reducing agent, D both as an oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Okay, HNO2 can be easily oxidized to HNO3. This is reducing agent. HNO2 can also be reduced to NO easily, so it is an oxidizing agent. Here it acting as a reducing agent and here oxidizing agent. So option D is the correct option. Question number 20. A colorless gas X forms a brown colored gas when mixed with air. The gas is A ammonia, B NO, C N2O, D NO2. Okay, the given reaction would be 2NO, which is our colorless gas plus oxygen will give, that is in presence of air, will give 2 moles of NO2, which is brown gas, nitrogen dioxide. So option B is the correct option, which is our colorless gas. Number 21, the equivalent mass of phosphoric acid H3PO4 in the reaction is H3PO4 plus NaOH give NaH2PO4 plus H2O. Option A 25, B 49, C 59, D 98. When H3PO4 reacts with NaOH gives 1 mole of NaH2PO4. So equivalent mass is equal to molar mass or molecular mass upon basicity. So H3PO4 has mass of 98. So 1 mole of H3PO4 is 98. So option D is the correct option. 22. Concentrated H2SO4 cannot be used to prepare HBr or HI from KBr or KI respectively because it A reacts too slowly with KBr or KI, reduces HBr or HI, oxidizes HBr or HI, oxidizes KBr to KBrO3 or KI to KiO3. So we got concentrated H2SO4 oxidizes HBr to Br. So 2HBr when reacts with H2SO4 gives 2H2O plus bromine plus SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. Then concentrated H2SO4 oxidizes Hi to I2. So 2 moles of Hi in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid will give 2 water molecule plus I2 plus SO2. So for the given reaction, oxidizes HBr to HI is the correct option. क्या? Number 23. A black sulfide when treated with ozone becomes white. The white compound is ACSO4, BBSO4, CZnSO4, D PbSO4. In the given reaction, lead sulfide, which is black in color, react with ozone to form white colored PBT. So the given reaction would be PBS, which is lead sulfide, black in color, in presence of ozone will give PbSO4, lead sulfate, which is white in color. So option D is the correct option. Question number 24. A liquid A treated with Na2CO3 solution. A mixture of two salts B and C are produced in the solution. The mixture on acidification with sulfuric acid and distillation produces the liquid A again. The liquid A is A Br2 B HNO3 C H3PO4 D PCl3. Okay. The given equation will be 3 moles of bromine plus 3 moles of Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, will give 5NaBr, sodium bromide, plus NaBrO3, sodium bromate, plus 3CO2. The mixture of NaBr and NaBrO3 on distillation with H2SO4, that is concentrated H2SO4, give liquid bromine. In presence of H2SO4 give liquid bromine again, plus Na2SO4 plus water molecule. So option A is the correct option. If a dash has maximum pH in aqueous solution: A NaClO, B NaClO2, C NaClO3, D NaClO4. NaClO is hydrolyzed in water to form HClO. So the given reaction will be sodium hypochlorite plus water molecule gives a reversible reaction to form HClO hypochlorous acid. plus NaOH. Option A is the correct option. Number 26. The substance A is solid at room temperature. It forms ionic compound. It reacts with hydrogen to form a hydride. The aqueous solution of the hydride is acidic. The substance A is A sodium, B iodine, C phosphine, that is PH3, and D Br2. At room temperature, iodine is solid. It forms ionic compound and reacts with hydrogen to form Hi. In presence of platinum as catalyst and heat, 2Hi is formed. So option B is the correct option. Number 27. When chlorine water is added to an aqueous solution of sodium halide in presence of chloroform, a violet coloration is obtained. When more of chlorine water is added, the violet color disappears and a solution becomes colorless. This confirms that the halide is A fluoride, B chloride, C bromide, D iodide. Okay. Chlorine displaces iodine from sodium iodide. So given reaction would be 2NaI plus Cl2 give 2NaCl plus I2. I2 is violet in color. The liberated iodine gives violet coloration to solution. Iodine reacts with chlorine to form water. In presence of water to form colorless HiO3. So the next reaction will be I2 plus 5Cl2 plus 6H2O in presence of water will give 2HiO3, which is iodic acid, which is colorless. The remaining compound will be HCl, 10 moles. So option D will be correct option. Question number 28. Which of the following oxyacids of chlorine is formed on shaking chlorine water with freshly precipitated yellow oxide of mercury? AHClO3, BHClO2, CHClO, DHClO3. When mercury oxide HgO, which is in +2 oxidation state, reacts with 2 moles of chlorine plus water molecule will give HgCl2 plus 2HClO. This is hypochlorous acid. So option C is the correct option. Question number 29. The number of atom of He in 100 AMU of He, that is atomic mass of helium, is 4 AMU is A 100 into 6 into 10 raised to 23, B 100, C 50, D 25. Mass of helium is equal to 100 AMU, which is given. Atomic mass of helium is equal to 4 AMU. The number of atoms of helium is equal to mass upon atomic mass. So equal to 100 AMU upon 4 AMU equal to 25. It is a ratio of same quantity, so there will be no unit. Option D is the correct option. 30. A radioactive element which can decay to give two noble gases is A 238U, B 232TH, C 239AC, D 226RA. Okay, the radioactive gas radium having the symbol Ra with atomic number 88 and mass 226 on radioactive decay give radon with atomic number 86 and mass 222 plus helium atom. So the correct answer is option D.